So here we got another, this is harder material. The other one is much harder for me to open, so I'll deal with it later. This should be the notebook. Perfect. Yeah, it's upside down. How big is my problem? I love this one. This is my ultimate favorite. Some of these I'm very stubborn with opening. Here, I opened. Finally! Yay! And again. So here's just nothing's written. Dead. So it'll be blank. Blank. So this is the notebook that I finally got. Thank you for that. And then the one I got here, this one will differ.